In this video, we are going to see how you can change background color of a cell. So let's go ahead and have a look. In our last video, we saw how you can use the font commands to create some focus areas and to make your Excel more presentable. Now you can change the background color of cell as well as the text to create more focus areas. So for example, we have our heading over here like bills, the months and totals and percentages. To create more focus area, or let's say to change the background color of the heading, let me just select all these headings over here. And then under the home tab in the fonts area, you will see that there's an icon where you can choose to fill colors, right? And if you click on the drop down over here, the system will give you a lot of options for the colors to choose from. Now, if you do not want to choose from these colors, you can actually click on more colors and then also try to create your own custom colors by providing the RGB or the hexadecimal. For example, over here, we'll choose the color dark blue, but the text is black, so it does not give us a good contrast, right? So keeping the selection same, now this time what I will do is I will change the color of the text within that selection. So in this case, let me choose white. So now it gives a good contrast where the background color is dark blue and the text color is white, right? So it draws your attention or the focus on that heading. Now I would also like to draw some attention on the bill type. So what we can do over here is select all the types of bills and maybe choose a little gray over here. And to further make some focus areas for the totals, so let me select this total line and press Control on the keyboard and select the row totals as well. And then this time I'll choose let's say dark gray. So as you can see that it has created a difference between the normal values and the total values as well as the text and the heading. So in this way you can create various focus areas. Why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself, and feel free to try all the options that are available over there, right? So stay tuned for our next video.